In the heart of the Middle East, a city stands as a shining beacon of global unity and cosmopolitan charm. This is Dubai, where the world meets to celebrate the spirit of diversity and harmony. Every year, the City of Gold dons a festive look for a day that resonates with the multicultural heartbeats of the globe. This is the Dubai International Day, a vibrant testament to the city's global appeal and its commitment to fostering unity in diversity. Dubai International Day is not just an event, it's a story. A story that begins with the anticipation of the early morning sun, as the city awakens to the rhythm of 1,000 cultures. The air buzzes with excitement, filled with the sounds of languages from all corners of the world. As we gather to commemorate National Day 52 in 2023, cultural performances light up the cityscape, each one a unique thread in the rich tapestry of global heritage. Each individual performance beautifully encapsulates the essence of its cultural roots, radiating with pure authenticity. These performances, part of the splendid celebration of our National Day, are reflective of the diversity that exists in our world, and they serve as a testament to the beauty that such diversity brings. The graceful dance forms of Asia, for instance, are a sight to behold. As part of our National Day 52 celebrations, elaborate costumes, intricate steps, and a deep historical context combine to create a mesmerizing spectacle. The dancers move in perfect synchrony, their fluid movements echoing tales of ancient civilizations and mythology. From the enchanting Kathak of India to the vibrant dragon dance of China, each dance form is a story in motion. In contrast, the rhythmic beats of Africa are a testament to the continent's pulsating energy and vibrant spirit. The drum beats resonate within your soul, a primal call that stirs your feelings of unity and togetherness. The performances, ranging from the djembe drum circles of West Africa to the gumboot dance of South, are a powerful expression of the region's history, struggles, and indomitable spirit. Then we move to the melodious voices of Europe, where the rich tradition of music and song is deeply intertwined with its history and culture. The haunting notes of a Celtic ballad, the rousing verses of an Italian opera, or the soothing strains of a Spanish guitar. Each performance is a journey through time, a sonorous exploration of European history and culture. Through these performances, one can experience the full spectrum of human emotions, from the deepest sorrows to the highest joys. Last but not least, we have the captivating art forms of the Americas. As part of the National Day 52 festivities in 2023, the vibrant salsa dances of Latin America's soul-stirring blues of the American South, each performance is an expression of the region's unique history and cultural evolution. These art forms, whether they be the intricate beadwork of Native Americans or the pulsating rhythms of Afro-Cuban percussion, are a celebration of diversity and resilience. In essence, these performances, each unique and beautiful in its own right, serve as a mirror to our world's cultural wealth. They are a testament to the power of human creativity and the universal language of art. Each note, each step, and each stroke is a tribute to our shared human heritage, a testament to the diverse yet interconnected world we live in. Each performance is a celebration of the world's cultural wealth. They remind us that despite our differences, we all share a common thread that ties us together. In grand theater of life, each performance is but a chapter in the epic story of human civilization, a unique thread in the rich tapestry of global heritage. And it's these performances that light up the cityscape on National Day 52 in 2023, bringing people together and fostering a sense of unity and community. From the graceful dance forms of Asia to the rhythmic beats of Africa, from the melodious voices of Europe to the captivating art forms of the Americas, each performance is a celebration of the world's cultural wealth. It's a moving testament to the power of art and culture, a beautiful reminder of the indomitable spirit of humanity unfolding on the stage of our National Day 52 in 2023. But the Dubai International Day is more than just performances and festivities. It's an opportunity for people from all walks of life to come together, to learn from each other, to share their stories, and to create new ones. It's about breaking down boundaries and building bridges of understanding and respect. As the day unfolds, the city turns into a global village, a melting pot of cultures, where the spirit of humanity shines brighter than the city's iconic skyline. The laughter and camaraderie echo the city's ethos of inclusivity and mutual respect. And when the sun sets, the city sparkles under a sky lit with fireworks, a spectacular finale to a day filled with joy, unity, and shared experiences. In essence, Dubai International Day speaks volumes of the city's cosmopolitan nature. It's a day when Dubai opens its arms to the world, welcoming everyone with warmth and hospitality. It's a day that celebrates the city's global appeal, its dynamic atmosphere, and its commitment to fostering a sense of global unity. So, here's to Dubai, a city that truly embodies the spirit of the world. A city that celebrates diversity, fosters unity, and stands as a shining example of what a global city should be. This is the story of Dubai International Day, a celebration of unity in diversity.